Hi everyone, it's good to have you all here today. I just want to briefly walk you through the math task for today, and I apologize for not being able to do this before now. I understand that everyone is very busy and sometimes there's a little bit of confusion. So let me just clear the air briefly. So for today, you will be working on Education City. You all are familiar with this app, you've been using it before now, but I'm sure a lot of you will need help. So I don't want you to be a burden to your parents. I want you to be able to work independently. Let them just give you very little assistance, and I hope this video helps. The first question in our activity today says, so the first problem we'll be looking at today is how to be able to identify or tell if a word problem is an addition problem. We will be looking at the key words that helps us identify if a problem is addition. The first word I want us to look at is the word altogether. When we have a word problem that's got altogether embedded in it, it automatically means that that problem is an addition problem. Because what altogether means is getting all the numbers in question, making them a whole, and taking a higher count of each. So when you have an addition problem that's got the word all, the vocabulary word all together, that tells you it's an addition problem. The second word I would like us to have a go at is the word total. The word total in itself actually means doing a head count to tell how many in all. So when you have an addition problem or a word problem that's got total embedded in it, it simply means it's an addition problem. In some word problems, you have the phrase, how many are there? When you have that phrase in your word problems, you definitely must figure out that it is an addition problem. So in simple terms, one way of identifying addition word problems is to look at the vocabulary words. And the vocabulary words that are used oftentimes are words like altogether, this says altogether, total, and sometimes how many are there. And we have used this over and over again in practice and class, so I'm sure just a little push will get you there. The second question that you will be looking at, or you will have to figure out in your task, is give two words that can be used in subtraction problems. That if you are asked to write your own subtraction task, before you go to do your practice on Education City, should your mom, should your uncle, your brother ask you to write your own subtraction task, what two words would you be looking at? My first word is left. When you find a word problem that's got the word left, or they had used the word left in writing up your word problem, then definitely that problem is a subtraction problem. Other times you could have words like take or took away. You could have gave or give. I'm going to read you an example. Let's do this together. Jairus had 12 cupcakes. He gave 7 cupcakes to Abdul. How many does he have left? Can you see the word left? This is the same as the word I had used or highlighted at the beginning. So when you have a word problem that's got the use of left, take or took, gave or give, then you tend to think, okay, I had a total and a certain amount was taken away from my total. So how many or how much more have I got left? You want to think about it. Best of luck as you go on to tackle the Psalms on Education City or go on to practice online. I'm wishing all of you the best. I miss you all. I can't stop saying that, but I really, really do miss you all. And I encourage all of us as parents and teachers to pray so the situation gets better. I miss everybody. Take care.